Welcome everyone. Here is how to fix Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra not charging. So the first solution is we can try the force restart. So how you do this is you press and hold both power and volume down together for 15 seconds minimum, maximum 45 seconds. So just press and hold these two down together and keep them held down and see what happens. So what many of users will face is that the screen is fully black, but that is actually not a charging issue. The software just glitched out. And so that's why the charging cable wasn't showing anything, because the software was frozen. But by holding these two buttons down, and then when we see Samsung logo release, hopefully that solves the issue. But if it doesn't, then the next solution is we can check the charging port. So I'd recommend getting a torch or just another phone and use that torch to look into the charging port. And there is a possibility that there's a bunch of gunk or dirt in the charging port that needs to be cleaned. If that's not the case, just skip forward a little bit. But if that is the case, you can use an old brush, just use the bristles to get rid of the gunk. Or alternatively, you can use thin tweezers or even a SIM ejector tool to remove the gunk. And so how that works is just put the thin ends in at the bottom right, scrape across, pull up. Just repeat that much times. Then do top right, scrape across, pull up. There is a bit in the middle, the little part that makes the connector work. If you hit that 1 or 2 times, even 5 times, that will not damage the charging port. These ports are durable. Just make sure that you aren't forcing any tools just to scrape across the screen. Now, the third solution is if these are not working, then maybe the battery cable or the display cable is unplugged from the phone. And how you fix that is with 2 fingers or with 2 thumbs. I'm going to use 2 fingers on the desk. You just tap as hard as you can all the way across the back of the screen. I'm speeding this up for the demonstration, but you want to be really thorough, as hard as you can. Tap across the back. Do the same for the whole front. You also want to do 2 thumbs down. Just push as hard as you can down together all the way across the back of the screen, all the way across the front. You want to be detailed with it. And the final idea is with 2 thumbs, just push them together all the way across the back, all the way across the front. What you're looking for is a click sound. When you hear that click sound, that can almost guarantee that the display cable or battery cable has been plugged back in. And then you can just do the first solution, which is just power and volume down for 15 to 45 seconds. And then you should see your S25 Ultra power back on. If it doesn't power back on, you will need to book your phone in for repair. Now real quick, YouTube don't promote my videos like they used to. So if you found this video useful, it really would mean the world to me if you hit the like button down below and just left a comment saying, hey, I found this video useful, thank you. Have a nice rest of your day. Bye bye.